Hi guys, today I want to do a short video to thank you all. I just reached 150 subscribers. So thank you very much for your support. I know it doesn't sound like much, but for a broad channel like mine, I cover a lot of different topics. I think it's pretty good. I'm very happy with the result. I started about 6 months ago, didn't have many views, and I've got videos about over 5,000 views. So very, very cool. I still don't know exactly what I want to do, so bear with me. At the moment I'm covering photography and gaming and hiking and tech and a bit of everything, but I think it would be very boring for me to review lenses for the rest of my life. I enjoy doing videos about different topics, and so bear with me. If it's not always the subject that you like, who knows, you might actually learn something new and fall in love with a new passion. So thank you very much again. It's been a great year, lots of new videos in a pipeline, and so I'll see you very, very soon. Thank you again, and bye bye.